there, and welcome to my course on Udemy, Photoshop Bootcamp for Freelancers, a complete guide for aspiring photographers and designers. The keys to a whole new world are waiting for you in this course, where you'll learn to create and edit like a Photoshop pro. My name's Kara Plichinich, and as a professional photographer and designer for more than a decade, I'm no stranger to this freelance game. I built my business from the ground up, from the early days when it was just my side hustle to today, where I get to call my own shots and share what I've learned with students around the world. This course will give you a rock-solid foundation in all things Photoshop. And it's jam-packed with real-world scenarios and practical problem-solving, so that by the time you're finished, you'll be ready to take on new projects and clients with confidence. After helping you find your bearings in the workspace, we'll take a look at what goes into a basic image tune-up. That's things like correcting exposure, contrast, and color. Then we'll get creative with color. We'll change it, enhance it, remove it, you name it. We'll make selections, work with layers, explore the fine art of retouching, dabble in vectors, and add type. And as a bonus, I've included 3 more sections to make sure you get the most from this course. Some camera tips for starting with the best images possible, a step-by-step guide to getting your freelance business up and running, and some power tips for avoiding common pitfalls and setbacks. So whether you've dabbled in Photoshop a little bit here or there, or you're yet to have even ever opened it, join me for a friendly journey through one heck of an awesome program. Enroll on Udemy and get started today.